I have a question for you. Do you think being in a relationship will bring you happiness, joy, bliss, peace even? If you think a relationship will bring you all those things, I've got news for you. The only way to have love, peace, happiness, bliss is to feel it and be in that energy already. Like attracts like. And if you're looking for a relationship to make you happy because you're not happy right now, it's not going to happen. I'm sorry to tell you that. But the only way to be happy in a relationship is to be happy before you're in that relationship. If you're looking for dating strategies and tips and techniques, along with mindset and accountability, I invite you to head over to daretodatedifferently.com. You can pick up your free dating tips. And if we're a good fit to work together, I'll invite you for a free strategy session. What could be better?